How to download Hunting Sniper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and play Hunting Sniper. First of all, open your Play Store application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, search for Hunting Sniper. So it will pop up in the first. Tap on it again. So you can verify it using this logo here and also verify using this company's name, Sparks Info. Now you can easily just simply tap on this install button. It will take some time. So I'm gonna explain you what is Hunting Sniper. Hunting Sniper is a game which is of adventure. Here you can hunt deers and even different animals with different type of guns and skins. So gun enthusiastic people and the one who love adventure and hunting and shooting games will love this game. So it will take some time and you can easily play it. Thank you for watching.